Good afternoon, students. What do you mean by invention? As I just told you, that invention is creating something new, making something new. And the lesson which we are going to revise, the invention of Vita. It is all about the invention of a mixture that was made or invented by Mr. Willy Wonka. He is a brilliant scientist and he has discovered a mixture that would make the people young and younger. It was so strong that it made the people so young that they disappeared. Their age became in minus number. Okay? Then he attempts. Now he was thinking to make something new. He prepared another mixture. Okay? He prepared another mixture which would make people old, older, and older. Earlier, he made a mixture which made the people young, younger, and it took them to a minus age. Even they disappeared. Now he created a mixture which made the people old and older. For this, he needed to search for answers of his questions. Though he wanted to make it, he wanted to find out the oldest living thing in the world. The answer to his questions, there are the three trees which are the oldest living organisms, or we can say trees on the earth. You must be remembering their names: Douglas fir, oak, and bristlecone pine. Do you remember these three names? Douglas fir, bristlecone pine, and fir, oak. Douglas fir, oak, and bristlecone pine trees, they were the oldest living thing on the Earth's surface. So therefore, he decides on bristlecone pine. Which tree is selected? Bristlecone pine tree was selected as the oldest living thing on the earth. So it can live for 4,000 years. How many? 4,000 years. And it is found on the growing slopes. It is found growing on the slopes of Nevada area, Wheeler Park in Nevada in USA. Wheeler Park. And what is the age? It is the oldest, we can say, oldest tree found on the earth's surface. It is 4,000 years old. Okay. Now, Mr. Willy Wonka claims to have searched across the world to collect all those oldest things on the earth. He claimed that he had collected various old and older and oldest things. वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि मैं पूरी दुनिया में घूम आया इन सारी चीजों को कलेक्ट करने के लिए. Then he finds that these oldest living things, they actually now do not exist. They may not be existing, but he is sure that in reality they are the product of his imagination. Fine. Among the things he says he is collected, वो बताते हैं उन्होंने क्या क्या चीजें कलेक्ट की. Now he has made a list of those items that he has collected. Now, number one, a pint of sap from the Russian farmer. an egg of a 200-year-old tortoise, the tail of a 51-year-old horse, a 36 years old cat, an old flea, and actually he said that that flea lived on the crumpets for 36 years. Just imagine a flea could live for 36 years. Then the tail of a 207 years old giant rat. कितने? 207 years old giant rat. उसके tail. Fine. Then the black teeth of a 97 years old, just imagine, 97 years old grimalkin, and the knuckle bone of a 700-year-old catalu. Just imagine the knuckle bone of a 700-year-old catalu. This way, we have seen that means this Willy Wonka, this scientist Willy Wonka claims that he had collected all those things. Fine. We can make a list of it. You are advised to make a final list. Yes. Fine. Okay. Now I want to share something with you. So this is the list of the things that Mr. Wonka invented. Means these are the major key points. Mr. Willy Wonka, the scientist, invents a medicine named Vitavong. This medicine makes people younger. Mr. Wonka mentions different kinds of trees in the lesson. They are Douglas fir, oak, cedar, bristlecone pine tree, etc. He tells that the bristlecone tree lives the longest for more than 4,000 years. He tells and he claims that bristlecone pine tree lives the longest for more than 4,000 years. We can find this upon the slopes of Willer Peak in Nevada, USA. He collected many different items from the oldest living things. They are toenail from 160-year-old Russian farmer, toenail, okay? An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise, the tail of a 51-year-old horse, the tail of a 207 years old giant rat. Giant rat. Imagine the rat which is also giant. The black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin. The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old catalu. Mr. Wonka prepared a black liquid by boiling and mixing of a different parts of different living things. He gave 4 drops of that black liquid to a 20 years old man named Oompa Loompa. Okay, what did he do? He gave 4 drops of that black liquid only 4 drops, to a 20-year-old man named Oompa Loompa. The volunteer who swallowed 4 drops of that invention became old, began wrinkling. Just imagine how powerful it was. He began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off and his teeth falling out, and he turned into a fellow of 75. Just imagine, he became a fellow of how many years? 75. Just after taking 4 drops of liquid, the man of 20 years turned into a man of 75. And we can easily see that the men of 75 years, such people lose their hair, their skin becomes loose, wrinkled, and teeth fall out in most of the people. And the name of this invention was Vitaworm. Okay. Finally, the scientist got success in his new invention of Vitaworm. Okay. So it is Vitaworm and its impact. Mr. Willy Wonka, the owner of the chocolate factory, has decided to invent Wonka Vitae. He was actually the owner of a chocolate factory. He believed that it would make the people younger, but it is too strong. After taking this, there was a rapid decrease in age. Some people have disappeared, and because their age has reached in minus. Just imagine, as I just told you, one person's age has become minus 87, and he has to wait once again for 87 years to be visible to others. Mr. Wonka must invent a new thing to reverse those changes. पहले उन्होंने एक लिक्विड बनाया, केमिकल बनाया जिससे एज माइनस नंबर में हो गई. Now to change his invention, to change his or the reverse those changes, he had to invent such a thing, such a liquid, such a medicine that would revert all those changes. Okay. Then those ingredients were inside the chocolate factory. Mr. Wonka was searching for a new recipe which would make people older. He asked Charlie about the oldest thing in the world. Charlie's reply was a tree. Whom he asked? He asked Charlie about the oldest thing in the world. Charlie's reply was a tree. Mr. Wonka added that it is the bristlecorn pine tree growing in the slopes of Willer Peak in Nevada, USA. And he also said that lived longer than anything else. Fine. Mr. Wonka then went into the great glass elevator to travel across the world to collect items from some of the oldest living things. Okay, he went into a great glass elevator. Okay, elevator, you must be knowing. So he decided to collect most of the oldest living things. So he collected a pint of sap from a 4,000 years bristlecorn pine tree, toenail clipping from 160 years old Russian farmer, an egg laid by a 200 years old tortoise, the tail of 51 years old horse, and so on. In his inventing room, after working with all these elements for hours, he prepared a cup full of oily black liquid. What was it? Oily black liquid. He gave 4 drops of it to a 20 years of old Oompa Loompa volunteer. This medicine was tried, or we can say trial, on a volunteer named Oompa Loompa. Charlie asked what happened after that. Mr. Wonka informed him that the creature, after a bit of shivering and wrinkling, became 75 years old, and thus he was confirmed that invention of Vita Wang was there. This confirmed him that whatever he invented was correct. He wanted that thing that would make the people old, older, and older. So I hope there would be no difficulty in it.